Hello, welcome to today's class. Today we shall look at a question on factorization. Now we are asked to factorize 9y squared minus 4 equal to 0. Now looking at this question, we can use the difference of two squares method. Difference of two squares. Now this method can be used to solve a question in this form. It states that if I have a question in this form, let's say I have a squared minus b squared, these can be written as a minus b times a plus b. Now this is the difference of two squared method. Now I can use this to solve this question. Here I'm giving 9y squared minus 4 equal to 0. Now to factorize is to write in the factor form, is to write as a product of two factors. So I can write 9 and 4 in index form. So 9 becomes 3 squared y squared minus 4 in index form will be 2 to the power 2 equal to 0. Alright, now I can combine 3y squared and y squared. It becomes 3y all squared minus 2 squared equal to 0. Now what you are seeing here is that 3y all squared minus 2 squared is the same as a squared minus b squared. So I can write this as a difference of two squared, which states that if we have a squared minus b squared, the factor would be a minus b times a plus b. That means the factor of these becomes 3y minus 2 times 3y plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the factors of 9y squared minus 4. So this is how we factorized 9y squared minus 4. This is our final answer. Thank you.